everybody, I'm LEGO Separator, and welcome back to another LEGO video. Today, we're gonna be building something nice and small, like the monthly mini build. However, this is different, because it is this thing, a little spaceship from the LEGO Movie 2. However, this was a sort of free thing from the LEGO shop. But it doesn't have a number. It doesn't have, identification number that every else set has. So, we're going to be building that little thing, and I will show you how to make it, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's get started. So we're going to start off this build with no number with a 2x2 base plate in white, and we're going to stick another 2x2 base plate on top like so. Now we're going to be using these side attachment bricks with 2 attachments, and we're going to use 4 of them all the way around here. So we have a sort of cube that we can attach things on every single side, and this is what's useful for this little spaceship, which we'll see in just a bit. But first of all, we will need a 1x2 jumper plate in white as well. Just stick that at the front like so, and on the sides we're going to attach these 2x2 jumper plates in light blue. This is light blue, by the way, not any other blue. What's next? Okay, so now we need these grey sort of dish pieces. We're going to stick them on top of these jumper plates on either side like so, and on the top we're going to attach this 2x2 round jumper plate in white, just like so. Now we're going to be turning this like here, so we can see the underside of this, and we're going to get this white bowl piece, sometimes used for toilets and stuff like that. We're going to stick a 2x2 round base plate on top of that like so, and underneath here we're going to attach 2 of these little grey studs like so, and we're going to stick it to the rear end over here, and this is going to be the back of our spaceship. Now we're going to flip this over because we want to attach another 2x2 base plate in white just over here. Now what makes this spaceship so special is the sort of, the paddles on the side. So we're going to be using this little clip and a handle, and we're going to attach it to the side over here onto these dish pieces, and we're going to make another one on to the other side. It's a sort of, what can I say, spiky sort of design, hedgehog style design. I don't know which way to put this, so you'll just have to follow. So here we have the 2x2 base plate on top of that. We're going to attach this simple slope piece. This is turquoise, by the way, not light blue, but turquoise. And we're going to attach a 1x2 tile over there as well. Now flipping around to the other side, this is the bottom now. This is the bottom now. This is going to be the top. So what we need now is a 1x2 jumper plate. On top of that, we're going to attach a 1x2 base plates in turquoise again. Very nice color this. We're going to get a simple slope piece like this, a very small one, turquoise as well, and we're going to use a 1x2 tile. Just stick it on the one stud over here. Now we have the tip of the top of the spaceship. We're going to stick it onto this. It sort of joins up together like so. All we need now is the front, so we're going to get this dish piece, this sort of larger dish piece, done in a turquoise as well. We're going to stick it to the front over here. It's already starting to look a lot more better, and we're going to get this sort of translucent dish piece, but in pink. We're going to attach that over there, and there we've done it. So there we have it. Our little spaceship is complete. A simplistic design, but interesting by the fact of how it uses the side attachments. So basically this is how it's should be normally built if you're building upwards, but it's on its side just like this. This is a rather little wonderful. Of course we can just adjust these angles over here to make it look a bit more menacing from the LEGO Movie 2 or something like that. And well, it's just a nice little spaceship. Also, it could be stood up like on a pedestal, like in the middle of a city. So it could be sort of like, you know how they stick statues of men on horseback? Well, maybe some futuristic city could have a little spaceship, as an idol. Okay, well, I don't really have much more to say, so I'll end this video off here. So I hope to show you more in the future. I hope that you at least enjoyed this video. And until next time, happy building!